Hey guys, Rapid Start 12 here, back at it again with another lighting video. And today, I'm going to show you these Crayola favorite colors incandescent mini lights. So, I got these incandescent mini lights from the V-Store last year for $3. I was looking in their Christmas section, and these caught my eye for being such an odd, packaging for a product like this. And, I thought, that looks like the Crayola packaging. So I went to look, and sure enough, these are a Crayola product, which is very interesting for a set of Christmas lights. You can tell that these aren't actually made by Crayola. They are just a licensed product. These are the Crayola favorite colors lights. It's a set of 50. It's covered up though by the $3 tag. These are in the forest green color. These do use super bright bulbs, whatever that means. Indoor, outdoor. There's one side. You have 50 lights. You can connect them end to end, which isn't like a super uncommon feature these days, but I would assume it might have been a little bit more uncommon back in the day. This is from the 1990s, so we'll see that on the back here. Here they show you how you can make this light garland thing. I guess so you can have your lights and your garland for your tree. More information. These are from 1996, and they're made by Binnie and Smith, whatever that is. Made in China. Well, we'll go ahead and open these up, and they come in a nice little tray here. We'll take that out. Packaging is kind of annoying to have around when it's open like that. But anyway, here are the lights on their nice plastic tray. I really like when lights come in nice packaging like this. These days, they're just shoved into a box. And, it's really not very good packaging for lights like this. I like how they're like this, so you can put them back in the packaging when you're done really easily. Well, we do have a pretty decent lead-in cord here. It's pretty long. I'd say maybe 1/2, 2 feet maybe. And here is our connector for plugging in more lights. It even comes complete with a little caution tag there. And here is our main tag. June 1996. Yep. These do have the thinner wire on them. Not sure what gauge this would be. It doesn't say, but it's certainly thinner than the 22 gauge of today. We do have a UL sticker, which is just kind of shoved in here. Yeah, it's stapled through. But there's that nice 90s UL sticker. And we do have some replacement bulbs. You have one replacement bulb, a flasher, and a fuse. Well, we'll go ahead and plug these in. because, yeah, there's not really much else to look at. You can tell that some of the bulbs are burned out, which I do have some replacement bulbs here. They just came in today from Amazon. So I'll just put some green ones in there to replace some of these burned out ones. Some of them are just dim. Some of them are burned out. Yeah, forgot to show. We do have a decent spacing between bulbs. Let's see, that's maybe about 6 inches, something like that. It's pretty good. And I also forgot to show the plug is fused and replaceable and stackable. So this is obviously getting into the fused plugs sort of era. But yeah, I'll pull out a couple more of them here just so you can see. Pretty good length on these. Nice. Back when stuff was actually well made. Well, anyway, there isn't really anything else to look at here. Just a very interesting set of lights. Get the packaging back in here. So you can see what that looks like again. Here, is there a better way to go about this? Let's move some of those out of the way. And there you have it. The Crayola Favorite Colors Incandescent Mini Lights. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.